How to add free VPN on Windows 11. Click Start. Then click Settings. Click Network and Internet. Click VPN. Now click Add VPN. Select VPN provider Windows. Type the connection name. Now go to Google on a browser. Search VPN Gate. Click on it. Copy the server name and paste it under server name or address. On VPN type, select SSTP. Now click Save. Click on Connect. Copy the username and password from the website. Click OK. And that's how you can add free VPN on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.